Vishal Gallai. Welcome to the channel Edu Solutions. So today we will have an interactive session with my personal guest, Mr. Ganesh Krishnan. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Vishal, for being me part of this channel, and I am very much happy to be taking classes with this channel. So, thank you for giving me a chance.
You're most welcome, sir. So basically, before starting the interactive session, let's sanitize our hands. So guys, you might have seen him delivering various topics related to financial education, and you have viewed various videos, subscribers also. So one such question the viewers or subscribers have asked is about the income tax. So they are having a question or having a problem in filing their income tax return. So is there any different method or knowledge that you can have deliver or impart to them?
Yes, the income tax is a very vast scenario. So, in this Union Finance Budget 2020, our Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman has announced a new scheme, that means a new tax slab, with existing tax slab remaining the same. So, the individual can choose between one of these, old versus new.
So basically, it is a new one which is launched in India for the first time, that a person can choose between two tax slabs that you are going to say. So the next question that I have in my mind is there any major difference between old tax slab and new tax slab? Can you suggest anything?
Yes, the old tax slab, as everybody was filing for the last 3-4 years, it is remaining the same, and you will get all type of exemptions in that old tax slab. But the old tax slab is little bit rates are higher than the new tax slab. In old tax slab it varies from 5, 20 and 30. But in new tax slab it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So it is beneficial for those who doesn't have enough investments or nothing, no savings. So it is better for them. And if you see, if your salary is below 15 lakh and you have investment, you can choose the old one. And if your salary is above 15 lakh, whether you have investment or not, better you have to choose the new tax slab. I will explain in detail in my session. So how to choose with the case study.
So basically, he's saying that as he said, the rates are different in both the tax slabs, and also he just have a note on it that it depends on the person's investment and salary. As he just stated, if a person has a salary below the 5 lakh, then he can have one old tax slab, and if it is between 5 to 15, he can just choose anyone. If I'm not wrong.
No, there is a small correction. Below 5 lakhs in both tax slabs it is nil,
Okay.
Nil tax, and the difference variation comes from 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs.
Okay.
So in 5 lakhs and 15 lakhs, individuals will have confusion. A person earning below 5 lakh and earning above 15 lakh has no confusion, because below 5 lakh in both the schemes it is nil. You don't have to pay any tax, just to nil return filing. And the variation happening between 5 and 15 lakhs. So if anybody earning 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs, whether they have investment or not having investment, so he can choose accordingly.
So I have understood a bit from him according to his knowledge about old tax slab and new tax slab, and what are things we have to depend for filing an income tax return. Sir, I have to ask one more thing, that while delivering this knowledge, how will you just proceed? If you are just giving an income tax for individual, or you will go by different ways also?
No, first of all, I will start with the income tax for individual session, because individuals are most worried on this income tax. Because for companies, firms, they have their own accountants, knowledgeable person in their companies or firms to file the return or give knowledge. For individuals, there is no such option. They are paying and to unknown person and filing their income tax. So I will make individuals to calculate income tax of their own and file without any additional support.
So basically, viewers, you will get a big budget or package from Mr. Ganesh Krishnan on income tax sessions, which he will impart his knowledge on individuals, enterprises, etc. And this particular session will be a elongated session, and with these sessions, I think he will also give a certain knowledge how to issue a PAN card I guess. And one such formula he is coming up with is his knowledge in Excel also. And I am also planning to impart my knowledge through computer graphics and various other schemes. So stay tuned to our channel, that is Edu Solutions, and have live updates on income tax and also in computer graphics. Thank you and stay tuned.